Florida Bay is a subtropical, shallow estuary that encompasses 850 square miles around the southern tip of the Florida Peninsula. It is situated at the southern end of the Everglades and lies between the Gulf of Mexico and the string of islands known as the Florida Keys. The fresh water delivered from the Everglades mixes with salt water to create an estuarine ecosystem. These conditions foster high food chain productivity, allowing Florida Bay to support one of the most diverse assemblages of fish-eating birds in North America. The great white heron, along with 13 other species of long-legged wading birds, are found here. Brown pelicans and double-crested cormorants also gorge on the bay's abundant fish. Other bird species make Florida Bay their winter destination. The secret to the abundance of life in Florida Bay lies beneath the water's surface. The fresh water that pulses from the Everglades gives way to lush underwater landscapes of aquatic vegetation. These submerged ecosystems provide food and shelter for smaller fish species. These smaller species provide the food base for not only birds, but for other animals such as larger fish. High concentrations of game fish, like tarpon and snook, make Florida Bay one of the most popular recreational fishing destinations in the world. Commercial fisheries depend on healthy populations of aquatic invertebrates such as shrimp, stone crabs, and lobster. Nature enthusiasts exploring the region also generate revenue for the local economy. Florida Bay provides abundant opportunities for peaceful solitude and wildlife observation. Florida Bay also supports optimal feeding grounds for Atlantic bottlenose dolphins, which cruise through the clear, shallow waters, delighting boaters with their acrobatics. This ecosystem is vital for several endangered species. The West Indian manatee depends on the warm, brackish waters during the winters and feeds on submerged grasses. The American crocodile can also be found basking in the sun along tidal mudflats as it nests on the shores of this unique estuary. Most of Florida Bay lies within Everglades National Park, providing it many protections. But diminished fresh water flows from development on the periphery have changed the balance of this fragile ecosystem. Scientific studies reveal the intrinsic relationship between continued fresh water flow and the health of Florida Bay. Conservation efforts must be swift and thorough if we are to protect this invaluable resource and ensure the future of Florida's natural heritage.